was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna dye my hair pink. I didn't think about it. Honestly, I never do when I do my hair. But I kind of want to see if I can fade it. I found this thing on YouTube where you mix baking soda, dish soap, purple shampoo, and developer. And it's supposed to strip your hair without overly damaging it like bleach would. So I'm going to do a test strand and just see how it turns out. And if it's good, then it's good. Maybe I'll pull out all of my hair. Maybe I'll pull out the top and leave the bottom so I still have some pink. But let's see, keep watching. I found didn't have like complete measurements. It was just kind of like you want it to look like the consistency of hair color. So I'm going to just put a little bit in here and just kind of see what mixes together. So I'm going to take baking soda. Just add like a little. And this is the developer from Hair Color because I didn't feel like going all the way to get that. And just a little bit so that I have more for later. The dish soap is what scares me the most because how is this gonna be okay for my hair? But we'll see. And then the purple shampoo. This is so much for a test strand. Like how? This is my purple shampoo. That did not work. It worked. It worked. Okay, well, as you can see, it's dry now, and it worked. I am perplexed that it worked as well as it did, and my hair doesn't feel, you know, any more damaged. It's honestly pretty soft. So yeah, I haven't decided if I'm gonna do my whole head yet because now looking at it, hi sweetheart, now looking at it, I don't know. I'm gonna miss the pink. So if I do, I'll make a video taking all of it off, but yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.